Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to start PLSQL programming using Oracle Live. As I explained in my previous lecture that Oracle is a leading company in the field of database management system. It is American multinational company and company sells database software, cloud engineered systems and enterprise software products, particularly under its own brand of database management system. In 2019, Oracle was the second largest software company by revenue and market capitalization. This is the list of Oracle products. That is Oracle database. This is the solution for managing the database. Next one is NetSuite ERP. This one is the popular enterprise resource planning software. Next one is Java. Java is the programming language which is dominating from last 25 years. Earlier Java was the part of Sun Microsystem, but Oracle acquired Sun Microsystem. So right now it's a part of Oracle Inc. And last one is the MySQL database, which is also popular for SMEs, that is small and medium scale enterprise. Next one is about Oracle Live. Oracle Live SQL exists to provide the Oracle database community with an easy online way to test and share SQL and PLSQL application development concepts, tutorials and practices. This Oracle Live is developed in the Oracle Apex software, and it provides you the facility to test your code, to share your code. Next is about how to start PLSQL programming using Oracle Live. For connect yourself with Oracle Live, please type Live Oracle in Google. It will show you the first link, that is livesql.oracle.com. Now click on this link. At present we are using the Oracle Database 19c version. So this is the home page. Here first of all you have to sign in with the help of your Oracle username and password. It will ask you to provide the username and password here. So please make login if it is available with you. If you do not have any account, then click here on create account and create the Oracle account free of cost. Here it will not charge you. So here provide the information like email address, password, your name, your job title, your phone contact number, company name, etc. And when you click on create account, it will send one email on your registered email ID. Please confirm it so that it will identify you as a registered user. Once you finish these things, then come back here and issue your username and password. I have created this username and password 3 years ago. And I will show you still my data are available online. Right? So when this is the home page or the dashboard of Oracle Live. When I click on my session and when I click here on previous sessions, it will show you around 2 years ago I have created this account, and at that time I was teaching the Oracle to SY batches. So at that time I have created this account and it is showing me the sessions, right? We will see one by one. First we will see about the dashboard. This one is the dashboard, right? Here on left side you will find different options available. If you want to start PL/SQL programming on traditional way, what you were doing in PHP MyAdmin, here in PHP MyAdmin, what you were doing is there is one option available where you were typing the SQL statement, and when you click here on run button, it will show you the output. So you can do the same thing here with the help of this option. This is the traditional app option. I will show you some advanced option which are available for uh, dealing with this database. Right, this one is the traditional option. So you can type your query here and you can see the output here, right? So for that, this option is available. Next one is about the My Session option. Now, this option is to see your previous sessions. As I told you that I was teaching this subject 2 years ago. So when I click on previous sessions, I will find whatever I have done here 2 years ago. For example, I'm clicking here. So here you can see I had created one procedure, and here it was also showing that what type of errors at that time occurred. Then I corrected it and that error is removed and procedure is created successfully. So you can rerun all the queries. If you want to start your programming using this database, you have to just click here on rerun option. So it will run all these queries or the statements which I written in PL SQL. So this option is useful for that one. The third option is about the schema. Schema means the database design. You can start your database design work from here. If you have already created the statements for creating the database, you have already written it, you can upload from here, upload script. If you want to create table using the GUI, graphical user interface, you can create from here, create database and click on table, create database object and click on table option. If you want to use some inbuilt schema for study purpose, you can use it with the help of these options. These are the ready-made schemas available which are created by the Oracle. So you can use it. For example, I'm clicking on the human resources. So it will show me all the data. Data means the table structures, the other database objects which are created in the schema. I can directly use it. For example, I'm clicking on employees. It will show me the table structure, right? These are the columns, these are the type, these are the lengths that I have, this is the set, precision, scale, etc. It will show you all these things which are created here. So with the help of these documentation, you can easily learn new things, right? Even you can also copy this index. I will show you from where you can copy this schema and you can start your own programming. So this one is about the employees table, which is created in the HR schema. Next one is about the quick SQL. Quick SQL means it's a one type of shorthand statements, and these shorthand statements will be converted into the proper SQL commands. Let me show you one example. If I click on samples and if I click here, for example, load model. So here you can see the shorthand, the statements written in shorthand manner. For example, I have created here the departments table. So what I had done is departments, then insert 4, right? Then here name, location, country, employees, right? Insert 14. So for that, what it has done, it had converted this, uh, we can say that rough work into the proper SQL statements. And when you click on here, then this statement will run, it will generate the output. So quick SQL is useful for that purpose. At present, you are a beginner with the PLSQL. So what I advise you is try this option. It will give you the proper SQL statements. And this will be helpful to you to learn this PLSQL speedily. Next one is about the My Scripts option. Here, it will list down all the scripts which are written by you. Even you can search the scripts which you written in past. Here different options are available, so you can easily do it with the help of different search options. Next one is My Tutorials. When you click here, it will show you the tutorials which are created by you. At present, I have not created any tutorial, so it will show me that you do not have any tutorial. You can create by clicking here. So you can select this option. And last option, that is about the code library. So here it will show you about the tutorials. You can find each and everything which were available or provided by the Oracle company. So you can select this one. For example, I'm clicking on this option, that is Introduction to SQL. So here it will show me how to create tables, how to insert the data into the tables, how to indexing the columns, etc. So this will be helpful to you to learn the PLSQL. So I hope that this tutorial will be helpful to start programming using PLSQL.